I'm Anil Kumar. We are learning how to solve quadratic equations. In one of our previous videos, we have learned how to check the solution. Now here we are given equations in factored form. These are quadratic equations, and now let us see how to solve them. So the question for you is solve each equation. So there are three equations, all of them are in factored form. X minus 2 times x plus 3 equals to 0, 2x times x plus 5 equals to 0, x plus 1 whole square equals to 0, right? So you can actually pause the video, answer, and then look into my suggestions. Once we have factored the equation and written as they are written, it is kind of simpler. You can equate each factor to 0 to find the solution, right? So the step here is equate each factor to 0, right? So that is how we'll solve. Now x minus 2, so let's write x minus 2 equals to 0. Solve for x, we get x equals to 2. So that is one of the solutions. If I substitute 2 here, 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 times anything is 0. That's the whole idea, right? The second factor is x plus 3. We'll equate that to 0. That gives us x equals to minus 3. Correct? So we have two solutions, and we can write down our roots. Sometimes we say roots, sometimes we say solutions, right? So two solutions are x equals to minus 3 and 2, right? Let's do the next one. Here the factors are 2x, so if let us equate 2x to 0, that gives us x equals to 0, 0 divided by 2, and then we have x plus 5 equals to 0. Subtracting minus 5 both sides, you get x equals to minus 5, and so we can write down our answer as x equals to 0 or minus 5. Okay? The last one here is x plus 1 whole square. There's only one factor. Let us equate that to 0, and that gives us a solution as x equals to minus 1. So in this case we have only one solution, and that is x equals to minus 1. Well, there could be situations where we may not have any solution, right? For example, if I write x squared plus 1 equals to 0, right? If you have to do this question, try to do it. Now in this particular question, we may not have any solution because x squared should be negative 1 to make it 0, but as you know, square of any real number is always positive, right? So in that case, we do not have any real solutions, right? So remember, we are working with real numbers, right? Not complex numbers for the time being. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.